Good evening, I'm Rini Gupta, your tech host. Welcome to the Daily Tech News Bulletin. In today's tech news, Apple signs voluntary AI safety pact joins major tech firms. Government warns of phishing attack targeting CrowdStrike users. Asus Fearless Pro 16 2024 laptop sale in China. Wazir X unveils recovery plan after $230 million cyber attack. Google patches Chrome issue that made saved password disappear. Windows 11 File Explorer to access Android phones. Apple TV Plus to introduce ads on these streaming platforms and more. It's time for your daily tech quiz. Here's today's question: what is the latest model name of OpenAI? Think you know the answer? We want to hear from you. Leave your guess in the comments below this video. Here, you reveal the correct answer in tomorrow's news bulletin, so stay tuned to see if you got it right. Good luck, tech enthusiasts, and don't forget to comment with your answer. Apple has signed on to President Joe Biden's voluntary AI safety guidelines, joining a growing list of tech companies committed to responsibilities AI development. The guidelines, introduced in July 2023, require companies to rigorously test their AI systems for potential risks such as discriminatory biases, security vulnerabilities, and national security threats. Companies must also transparently share test results with the government agencies, civil society organizations, and academia. The pact now includes 16 companies, with the major players like Google, Microsoft, OpenAI, Adobe, IBM, and Nvidia already on board. Apple's participation highlights its commitment to safeguarding AI technologies. This move coincides with the Apple plans to integrate Apple AI ChatGPT into its iPhone voice assistant. This partnership has faced a scrutiny figures like Tesla CEO Elon Musk, who has raised concerns about security implications. Certain, the India Cybersecurity Agency has issued a warning about a phishing attack targeting users affected by a recent global computer outage. The outage on July 19 was caused by a faulty update to CrowdStrike Falcon sensor software, leading to widespread issues including system crashes, disruptions in flights, and impacts on business and banking systems. Attackers are impersonating CrowdStrike support staff to offer a fraudulent system recovery tools. These tools, instead of aiding recovery, install a Trojan malware designed to steal data and cause system crashes. The advisory highlighted that causes might be a trick into installing unidentified malware. It urges configuring firewalls to block specific URLs and hashes, avoiding suspicious documents, and ensuring websites have valid encryption certificates. Asus has launched the Fearless Pro 16 2024, a high-performance laptop priced at 7,999 yuan for the 32 GB plus 1 TB configuration. The laptop features a Ryzen AI 9 365 processor, a 16-inch 3.2K OLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, and a peak brightness of 600 nits. It's designed with an all-metal body that is 13.9 mm thick and weighs 1.5 kg. It includes a Radeon 880M integrated GPU, offering performance close to the 40-watt RTX 3050 and supports up to 4 monitors with SUHD 4320p60 resolution. The processor is built on TSMC's 4nm processor with 10 cores and 20 threads. The laptop features a dual-fan, dual-heat pipe cooling system capable of managing 50 watts of performance in full-speed mode and packs a 75-watt battery. WazirX, a crypto exchange, suffered a $230 million loss due to a cyber attack and has announced a recovery plan based on a user poll. The platform will distribute the loss using a 55 to 45 approach, where 55% of user crypto assets will be available for trading or withdrawal, while a 45% will convert it in USDT equivalent tokens and lock for users who lost a significant portion of their assets. WazirX will use exciting tokens to create a portfolio representing 55% of the lost value. The unlocking of locked tokens will depend on ongoing recovery efforts. Trading or withdrawals have been paused, and WazirX has shifted blame to its wallet service provider, Liminia. Funds in Indian rupee are unaffected by the attack. Google Chrome user on Windows experienced a significant problem where saved a password disappeared on July 25. This issue affected users who rely on Chrome's built-in password manager. According to Google, the problem was due to a change in a product behavior without proper feature guard, through detailed specifics were not provided. This led a disruption affecting a 15 million users. Google addressed the problem and issued an apology. This fix involved restarting Chrome and manually updating the wire setting menu. The affected version M127 was among the latest stable releases. Microsoft is testing a feature in Windows 11 that allows users to get access their Android phones directly through File Explorer. This feature lets users to wirelessly browse, manage, and transfer files between their Android phones and Windows PCs. It simplifies a file management by treating the phone as a regular USB device. To use this feature, users need Android phone with a version 11 or higher, the beta version of link to Windows app and registration in the Windows inside the program. Users have reported problems with the file deletions and syncing issues. Microsoft is addressing these bugs, including a fix or ensuring deleted files are properly managed. Apple TV Plus, currently ad-free, is reportedly planning to introduce advertisement. This change is under consideration as Apple explores a way to improve its streaming services. The Telegraph reports that Apple has engaged with the UK TV rating body, a bar, to discuss the implementation of ad tracking on Apple TV Plus. This comes after Apple a previous ad placement during Major League Soccer coverage. Apple TV Plus has struggled with the low viewership, attracting only 0.2% of TV viewing in the US. This is significantly lower compared to competitors like Netflix. The introduction of ads could help Apple increase revenue and align its strategy with their streaming platform. This is Rini Gupta signing off. Don't forget to stay tuned and subscribe to IT Voice for your all tech updates.